Good morning, guys. Well, the crypto market's taking a dump today. Oh my gosh, what a crazy move we're seeing today. Well, I don't know if you guys saw it. Well, everyone in the channel yesterday who's following me, we ended up taking, I know we're crashing, but we actually won another trade yesterday on Ethereum. We are now 84 for 84 wins while this market's doing this crazy thing. I was literally during Thanksgiving, I came home to let our golden retriever out, and I'm like, you know what? I have a feeling this market's going to take a crash. And I actually showed this to you guys over here, talking about the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. Both show signs we could drop soon. So let's secure some profit while we have the 50% in here. So what we ended up doing yesterday, to keep you guys updated, on Ethereum was we exited 50% in the profit up here, and then we put our stop loss at break even. So we won this trade flat out. Like, it was a great win. I'm glad we did this because the market ended up dropping very fast. On top of this, Coinbase Pro, the app, took away their stop loss feature yesterday. So I came in for everyone in this group and I recorded a video for you guys exactly how to place stop losses, buy limits, and sell limits in the exchange for Coinbase Pro. And I also showed you guys right after that call how to place the stop loss so we could all securely save our money and not lose any more on this. So you guys all did super well if you guys are following the channel. Just another reason why you guys want to be in the Telegram channel, because I'm giving you guys these like extra tidbits to help keep us all safe, because we've got a lot of money in here. Okay, I'll go over this trade. In the second half of this video, I will show you guys how to get into all of our trades so you do not have to miss another win that we take. We are almost at our record for 85 for 85 wins by the end of November, so stick around for that and I'll let you guys know. All right, the update here is we need to take this away because we're out of this trade here, and this one ended up coming down and we got tagged into this on the 25th of November. So buy limit was November 25th, and that's where we were yesterday as far as the first buy limit being set up. So all you guys got triggered in right here, and we still have these other buy limits at the bottom down here that we're going to be we might be hitting. So at the moment we need to update this to look like this. Pull this down, and I'll go over this dump here a little bit so we can talk about this. So yesterday, did the indicators call the drop? Yes, they did, guys. Again, this is why we're using these, and the reason why I called the drop yesterday was because the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow were up here. Now, was I expecting this big of a drop? I'll be honest, I was not expecting this big of a drop. I was expecting maybe a bounce down here to the structure support, the descending support line, and then a move back up. But guys, Black Friday, not a lot of books are looking black, but segue into this, guys. Our Black Friday sale, you get 83% off all the indicators, which are literally calling the drops in here. And congratulations for all of you guys who have our membership, because you were able to get the Telegram call, and we actually made money on this while everybody else is probably stuck in quite a lot of losses. So if we take a look at this, this is what I saw. This is exactly what I did. I looked in the past here and I did this. I said, okay, we push up in the top red section here, we push in the top red section here, as well as the well money flow is high. All right, this is where we started to see a move back down. Pushed in the top red section here, we saw it high, and we started to see a move back down. And then I went back into the past here and I looked at this right here. And I said, okay, you know what? The well money flow wasn't that high here, but we had the trend exhaustion high and we still dropped. And then I looked over here. I was like, okay, I see this. And this actually pushed us into a bear market cycle. Looked over here. I said, okay, this actually didn't keep going up any further. We actually had a flash crash in the market here a little bit. Well money flow was high. And then I'm over here just looking at these few other marks on the chart. And every single time we push up in the top red section, this indicator has saved us by not trying to hold on to trades because we think they're going to the moon, but it actually came out here and saved us on this trade, and we made money on this, while unfortunately a lot of people are in huge losses this morning on their accounts because they FOMOed into the pump yesterday. We got out at the top, we did very well. This is why you guys need the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow indicators. We are calling drops with this and we are making money. Guys, the entire account is not even down that much. Honestly, it's like kind of surprising. Like, this whole market drops over 9% and we're only at 49,000. We're only down in the account $270. Like, that's it. Like, it is pretty crazy. This is where really good risk management comes in, and it really pays to have good risk management and our metrics on your side. Okay, get the indicators, set those up, guys. Here's what I'm looking at real quick, and I'm going to go over the metrics for Ethereum because those are going to be very important. Take a look at this. All the retail trader indicators, they are all looking bearish. So could Ethereum start pushing down? Yes, I'll give you guys the target right now in this video. It's been the target that I have not changed. It has been this ascending support line for a bounce back up. We've got one touch down here, two touches here. Obviously, there's more than two, but I'm calling it a two touch, and a third touch over here. So right at this area, that we're looking at, sorry, let me pull this down here, right around here, I do think it's possible to head down to about $3,700, okay? 3,700 is where this next greatest bounce could possibly happen, and we could get a little bull run before the end of the year. 3,700 or right around 3,800. I would say right around those areas, but I'll probably call it 3,750, but somewhere around that area. 3,700 to 3,800, okay? That's a possible drop we could be seeing this weekend as we move into there, okay? As far as the trade that I am, guys, I was sleeping. Guys, this happened while people on the Pacific Standard Time, while we were sleeping at night, or really early in the night after I was in bed. So this thing dropped out here. I'm currently not in Ethereum right now, but I'm going to track this because a lot of people I know are in this trade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the buy limits to get back into Ethereum with the trades today, and I'll show you guys how to do that if you want to join me on that trade. I'm not going to track that. I'm going to be tracking this one, and when this one exits in the profit, I'll be exiting the one I take today. So watch the entire video so you guys literally get everything that I'm personally doing if you want to follow me here. And we'll try to go for 85 for 85 wins. Time to buy, guys. The market's on discount. Literally, all your flat screen TVs and the crypto market's on discount today, so time to buy. All right, I get jacked about this. This is how we trade, guys. We don't worry about drops because our indicators help us save from getting into those. And if we do drop, our buy limits are there to save us. Okay, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Watch this today, guys. We've been pushing down to the anxious section, and we pushed up in the neutral. Guarantee this bad boy is back down here at anxious today. A lot of people are selling this thing like crazy. I'm just going to pull this over to this chart. A lot of people are selling. Where are we going to go? Probably down to that $3,700 mark. So definitely be watching out for that. Looking at this, I'm really curious to see what happens today if short trades completely drop out and long trades increase. If this happens, watch this metric. This is a bullish sign that people are going to buy this dip. They're already buying it, guys. It's already moving up on the 4-hour candle here. So people are definitely buying this. They're like, man, getting crypto on discount. Everybody's buying Bitcoin on discount today. All right, take a look at long versus short trades. This is in the neutral section. I can pretty much guarantee everybody we're going to head back down to the good long trade section, and it's just a great time to set up long trades. Well, an institutional smart money in here. These guys were pushing over into the short trades. Like, gosh, again, like I'm always surprised at these guys of like, how is this metric so ridiculously accurate? Like the last couple days here, because this is a daily time frame, they were doing short trades, and like, man, this is why we exited. We got into the profit. I told you guys in the last Ethereum video, when Wells institutions look to short, even though it wasn't that much pressure, this is where we need to be selling because they can drop the market in here and it can happen really fast. Well, that's what they did. Came out with short trades, dropped the market. It was right yet again. This metric here alone, guys, will save you thousands of dollars depending on what account size you're trading with. It's insane. Support resistance prices in here. This is obviously crashed down here. So this is showing us for Ethereum, we're looking at about 2,600 for structure support. Let's take a look at that real quick. I think that's pretty aggressive, guys, because it's way down here. I think we're going to get down to 3,700 and then see a bounce back up from there. If not, actually see a bounce a little bit sooner. So definitely be watching out for that, okay? Let's come back over here. Let's go down. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys have $10,000 in the market and you're looking to just put money in every single time, these are great entries to get into. The crash here, we didn't see any bars come out yet because it just didn't overextend itself too much. It really wasn't an overextension. Like, this isn't actually that far of an overextension here. It's just our indicators did happen to call this perfectly for a drop, and that's why we exited. So, just a flash crash in the market. I'm not going to get into too big of the news. I don't care really about what happened with the news. I'm just going to get in here, manage these trades, and we're going to make more money. That's what we're going to do, okay? Because if you actually look at the trending articles today, some of them are like, oh, China said this, Elon Musk said this, and like Elon Musk hasn't even like putting out anything on his Twitter account today. So it's like a lot of manipulation going out there. So I'm going to leave that where it's at. Now, I know I went through that fast, guys. Here's the point. Let's get into new trades. Let's get into this and let's make some money on this discount. This is like, if you guys are not excited today, you're trading on the wrong side of the market. You're not trading with the right team. Like, we are jacked today because we took a win. We won 84 for 84. We got back into trades here. Like, even like, take a look at this. I'll do an update probably today on 88. 88 hit our third buy limit. Like, all we did here was we hit our third buy limit. The break-even entry moved down about 8%, and now we have more money into the market. So when we get into the profit, we'll be making more money. Dogecoin here ended up actually coming down. This is just a quick update. From where we were at the entry, we were down 28%, simply just hitting a buy limit. Now the entire trade here is only down 16.33. Okay, it almost saved us 15%, and we didn't do anything except have a buy limit set up, and we're still so safe in this trade because we have 2 more buy limits way down here to set up. This is how you guys want to trade. I promise you. There's no better way to trade this thing. Okay, here's what you guys want to do. Come over here, get the membership, start trading with us. That's all you got to do. $49 a month gives you guys access to all the buy limits as well as all the metrics that I just went over. I will be upping this price, so make sure you guys get in now, and I will grandfather all of you guys in, okay? That gives you access to all the metrics here, but here is where the money is made right here. All 84 wins that we have ever taken, guys, have been called out directly on this one single page. So follow this very quickly with me. We're obviously talking about Ethereum today, so you guys can click on this and get all the buy limits, the new updated ones, because they're not the same as yesterday. Why? Because we crashed. New buy limits are set up lower here, and that's most likely what I'm going to be getting into. Not most likely. I'm going to set up my buy limits for the new ones that show right here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time today. Why am I not getting into this one? Well, I was sleeping. I couldn't get into this buy limit, so I'm going to get into our next one, and I'll still manage this on the YouTube channel because sequentially, this is the next trade that came out, and I want to keep everything transparent, okay? That's what I'm going to do, and then I will exit my trade I get in today when I exit this one up here. Okay, let's do this. So much fun. All right. Bitcoin live trading. Here's what you guys are going to do. Wait for 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning because the whole market's crashed, and you will see new buy limits. If you guys have $1,000 you want to trade with in the market, or say $4,000, does not matter. You guys are just simply going to put 25% of the trade allocation, $1,000 would be $250, at each of the buy limits. Buy limit 1, buy limit 2, buy limit 3, buy limit 4. Again, these buy limits will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time because this is updated as of 11:25, and we are at 11:26, the day after Thanksgiving. So make sure you guys watch that. Set up your buy limits. Once your first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit up here, wherever the green line is, because a lot of these have been updated as well. And then once you do that, all you got to do, guys, is just chill, have a bunch of fun, and just follow me in the Telegram channel. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first. This will give you guys a hot link, which will actually give you guys access over here where I'm calling exits with the indicators, where I literally showed you guys people making $20,000 with our indicators over here alone. This is insane. Like, look at this. We're updating more, having my team update more profits for people in here. But it has just been ridiculous what people are doing. This guy's keeping track of his trades. Also throwing this in there below is a snapshot of my profits since winning my first trade through your membership. Easing into it, build more confidence with your indicators. Looking forward to next year's cheers. So look at this, like September, 693, 1,720, 2,650. Like, this is crazy what people are able to do in here. And like, these are real screenshots, guys, that we're taking from our members. So, and they're sending this into us. A lot of people are like, Travis, put my testimonial on the site. Like, I want to share it with people. I want to encourage people. So here you guys go. This is strict data. I promise you, we're not making up any of these. We are literally pulling these from people, okay? So let's finish up with this, guys. Make sure you're getting your membership. You guys are set up here, and make sure you guys are also setting up your buy limits in here, and then get the indicators because the indicators are on Black Friday sale. You guys only have 4 days left. Everything's on sale. Buy everything on sale today, guys, before things go up. The market's going to rebound. Guaranteed that. With that, you guys want to be snagging a lot of things on sale today, and this is one of the things you guys want to be grabbing. It is 83% off. Normally, you guys want to just get these 3 indicators: price versus wall, money flow, trend exhaustion, and trend dashboard. That's great. These are the ones you need if you want to copy my charts. But if you guys really want to get these are 58 to 60% off. 83% off, and you guys can get all of them, plus 6 other indicators on top of these 3. That is what you guys want to be snagging today. Seriously, this is the deal that you guys want because it's going to go up $50 at the end of the month in literally 4 days here. And then these 2 indicators, price versus wall, money flow, and trend exhaustion, are going to go up as well in Q1 of next year. As well as the membership's going to be going up too next year. So make sure you guys get everything today on this. Everything is in the description as well. I was just going to come up here and read this another one to you guys here. So $5,000 here. That's super awesome. Let's see what else we can call in here. I searched you guys yesterday. A guy did $20,000 in crypto and stocks with just the trend exhaustion and the price versus wall, money flow. These 2 indicators are exactly what ended up calling this drop in here, and that's why we ended up getting out yesterday, putting our money where our mouth is. I said, I think these indicators are good. We're going to exit. That's what we did, and we won the trade. We did very well. These guys in here, $61,000 in tonight, this guy put out. This guy did $7,000 here over the weekend. Just insane what people are doing in this channel. So great job, everyone. $1,710 in the last 10 days on VET, $700 on BNB using the indicators. I'm telling you guys, if you're not using the indicators on just our cryptos, like, that's fine. Like, you can use these indicators on cryptocurrency, stocks, and Forex. Like, it is very, very powerful to call drops in the market, and there are no better indicators than the price versus wall, money flow, and trend exhaustion. All right, guys, I want to end this video here because I want to come out with new videos. But guys, get the indicators before they go up, get the membership before that goes up, and make sure you guys are taking advantage of the Black Friday sale. Everything's on sale. I personally invest a lot on Black Friday because everything is on sale and my appreciation goes up based off what I purchase on Black Friday. This is what I would be doing, guys. Do not miss this. I'll put this into the description. God bless you guys so much. Get your buy limits updated and get into some trades over here. I'm not a financial advisor. Got to make that very clear. But I do believe this is time to be buying. Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, and we'll ride this thing back up. All right, we'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description. Black Friday. Go make those purchases. Bye, guys.